Hey Creative Cubs, welcome back to Creative Cubs Art. So today we are going to turn letter T into a super cute tiger. Grab your pencil, eraser and some bright colors and let's get drawing. First, let's draw a big capital T right in the middle of the page. Now add two quarter circle eyes and one long rectangular nose. Adding some details to the eyes. And a small smiling mouth right below, three whiskers on both sides, and a cute little smile. Now we draw a big oval face surrounding all these features right from the mouth bottom. Let's add two cute ears on both sides. Now let's draw some stripes on the forehead and the cheeks. We'll color all the tiger stripes black. Now let's add the front legs, two short rectangles in front. Make the paws round and soft just like real tiger feet. And the back legs just behind them. Doesn't it look really adorable? Every tiger needs a tail. So from the back of the body, let's draw a long curvy tail that curls at the end. Make it a little thick so it looks strong. Now let us add the stripes to the tiger body. So each stripe can be a little different size. That's what makes your tiger unique. Few on the back. One more. And now on the legs. The belly. And the tail. Now add some small curved lines for the toes on each paw. Now let's bring the tiger to life with some colors. Let's color the body orange. I'm fast forwarding the video a little bit here so that you can see the tiger come to life quickly. But if you find it too fast, don't worry. You can pause the video anytime and draw at your own speed. Take your time and have fun. Here I've left the belly and the face area light yellow or green. Color the inside of the ears and the nose pink. Add light blue to the eyes for that real look. Yay, we did it! From a simple letter T, we created a friendly tiger. Give yourself a big clap. You're amazing! And if you love this activity, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss our next fun art video. See you next time. Keep creating, keep smiling and roar like a tiger.